Morning, love.
Morning.
Ayan, watching TV. Morning. Did you eat your breakfast?
Yeah, I had the last donut.
Donut?
Yeah.
Huh? Kahit katabi ko tumatulog, guys. Pagkagising namin, gusto ko pa rin mag-hug siya, mag-kiss. What time is it up?
I don't know.
Hmm?
It doesn't look at the clock.
Didn't look at the clock.
No.
Because when I wake up, I said, look, where's Georgie?
Yeah, I
Oh,
snuck out because I didn't want to wake you up.
Huh?
I didn't want to wake you up.
Oh,
So
you're very good. I didn't notice you woke up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exercise. Today is shitty weather, guys. So, di kami sure kung alis kami dahil nga pangit yung weather. Nagising ako ng 9:30, tapos habang nasa bed nanood po na ako ng mga videos. Ng 30 minutes bumaba ako ng 10 o'clock na. So it's a very lazy day. Hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin namin for today as a family. Maybe I will finish the garden kasi merong biniling extra plant si Georgie at si Daddy last time. Hindi ko siya nalipat ba. So maybe yun ang ating gagawin kung hindi maulan. Mag-edit muna ako sa aming ibang videos. Ayan guys, magkilos-kilos na tayo So kasi alas 11 na. Si Mr. nag-hoarding. May pinakita sa aking naka-sale na tawag nito, air fryer na malaki. Dating 249 pound. Alam ko na naanghangan yung mata ko. Down to 89 with club card. So tinry niya mag-order online, hindi niya makuha-kuha. Kaya pumunta ng shop, bibilhin daw niya. So, magpapalit si Mr. ng beddings niya, guys. Siya daw gagawa niyan. I-ready ko lang yung pamalit. Gusto niya, tumulong sa akin ba? Hindi niya pinapaasa sa akin lahat. Ganyan kami. Hati kami sa, house chores. Nag-offer yan siya. Hindi yan siya yung, hindi tayo inaabuso pa. Ayan guys, nag-message si Mr. na kailangan daw niya mag-lunch ng 11:30 dahil meron siyang doctor appointment mamaya sa hospital ng 5:30. So hindi siya pwedeng kumain nun. So magluto ako ng burger and chips with cheesy sauce. Madalian lang to, madalian. Pero mamaya, nung alalahanin ko na lang na kakainin namin ni Georgie. Ito tayong nabiling pineapple from Costa Rica. Ayan So, balatan natin. Nagluto na din ako ng bacon para sa amin ni Georgie. Ito na yung ating guys, pineapple. Mas mura pag bibili ng buo, guys. Pero minsan, bumibili kami na yung ready to eat na ba. Pero ako, mas prefer ko bumili ng buo. Ako na lang magbalat, mas mura. Lang to, naka-sale, 1 pound something. Pag bibili ka ng ready to eat na, 3 to 4 pounds. Or 2 pounds. Ang konti lang ng laman.
We gotta get out of this place.
wow.
Ketchup, please.
Lunch, guys. Of course, rice and bacon tayo. Si Georgie, rice and bacon din. And chips with cheese sauce. As for Daddy.
There's a bug
That's
inside
it.
the house.
Yeah, kain na kain.
A bug was inside.
Tatakutin ni Daddy si Georgie, guys. She's watching her TV. I'm talking to Daddy, love. Daddy have something for you. Oi, TV pause. It's not finished yet? Or you start again?
No, it
14 minutes.
hasn't finished yet.
Well, it's a bit foggy here.
What do you mean it's a bit foggy?
Looks like the room is foggy.
Go with Daddy Longlegs, Georgie. I want to show you the Daddy Longlegs.
No, show me now!
You crew.
That way, go that way for me. Stop!
She's scared because she saw the legs, but it's not true, no?
No, you didn't see the legs.
Uh,
I just thought you had a real daddy long legs. I don't like it.
Guys, so ito yung nabili ni Mr. Guys na air fryer. Ayan, no? Tower. Ayan. How much you pay for this?
Original price,
Oh,
£149.
yeah.
Because Tesco's have reduced it to clear, and because we get discount with Tesco's, and it's a club card price, we paid a total of £47.50.
Wow.
Which is the only reason we got it, because our other air fryer is okay. But given it's a dual air fryer and it's such a big saving, then it's a benefit.
Dahil meron tayong bagong air fryer. So, kailangan ko i-reshuffle yung ating kagamitan sa kusina. So, hindi ko alam kung saan ilagay yung iba. Kasi puno na yung mga cupboards namin. Ito naman, coffee, coffee organizer. Hindi ko siya nagagamit ba. So, sabi ni Mr. kailangan mag-start na siyang gamitin bago itapon ba, ma-expired nga. So, kailangan ko gamitin yung coffee machine na yun. Kasi sayang din, oh. Madami-dami pa ito. Tapos, pag-isipan na lang kung saan ito ilagay or pamigay ko na lang to. Tapos, yung old air fryer, ibigay ko na rin kay Rachel yan. So, busy tayo, Hindi ko alam kung anong unahin gagawin. Kung mag-gardening ba ako, kung mag-sort up ako ng gamit ni Georgie. Pero sa ngayon, dahil nasa kusina ako, focus muna ako sa kusina, So, ayan na po ang ating kusina, guys. Ayan. So, dito ko nilagay yung aking coffee maker para magamit talaga siya kasi nakatago to eh. Ayan. No? So, tapos sinort out ko rin yung cupboard. Andiyan nilagay yung tubig. Tapos yung crisp. Tapos, andito yung rice cooker, nakatago. Tapos, ito, tapos na rin natin yan na-sort out. So, tidy na siya. Ayan, containers. So, ayan, gawa tayo ng kape, no? Ayan. Then, hot water.
shoes. The boss ain't gonna like this.
Positive about this, Mrs. King?
Oh yeah, a whole lost world is what he said. Big-footed printers as far as the eye can.
So, ayan guys. Tapos na yung pinanood naming cartoon as a family. So, si Mr. umalis siya. Pupuntang doctor appointment niya. Meron siyang, wait lang, don't play. Scanning sa abdomen niya. Kasi gaya ng nabanggit ko last sa video ko na sabi ng doktor, baka hindi yung sa lungs, yung ano ba, baka yung sa bladder niya nagpupush doon sa lungs. Kaya nahirapan siya huminga. Pero sana, pero still waiting pa rin kami sa sa results sa niya, sa CT scan. Po yung ating day in my life, our daily vlog. Pag wala kaming lakad, bahay lang, housework, yan, family day. So, say bye guys.
Bye guys. Love you.